have the end of month July, have one holiday, I only got 10 hours on the 13th. This check was for only 12 hours. I believe in the mid-month July video, I think that I had said that was for 20 hours for these 2 days. But this 8 hours was on the previous check from the month before. So that's actually part of this check here. So this check was only for 12 hours. I did notice that in the pay stub part thing. So embarrassingly enough, everything's pretty good wise as far as this goes, but this is pitiful. $4.35. The total unsecured is higher than it was last month at this time. I had to go back and charge on Citi Card, and I charged more on Capital One Zero. This is higher than it was, this is higher than it was. This is pitiful. This is almost a fail. This would be red and pointing up. Another $4.36 worth of debt. That is so bad. I have got to do better than that. Really bad. On the brighter side, these loans are getting paid down. And the rest of this stuff is lower. The house payment is, or the house total outstanding is lower. But I have way too much unsecured debt. Credit cards and loans. You know, it's kind of sad in a way. The economy is going downhill slightly. So we're not jumping as much as we used to. So I can't get as much overtime as I would like. But I may start asking for some overtime. It would be better theoretically, even though you're more tired though. But on these weeks where I have my 4 days, I'm already at 48 hours. It would be better to get overtime on my off days those weeks, because that would be total overtime. Or if I'd done it up here on the 36-hour weeks, the first 4 hours of overtime is just straight pay. You see what I'm saying? But I guess all the work I can get, I probably should take. Anyway, I guess every month ain't going to be huge drops, but that is really close to a negative month. Really, really close. Oh, and the power bill is caught up and paid. So that's a plus. I don't think I've paid the trash bill yet. The garbage, it's not even on here. That's something I got to put on here for next month and get that paid. Because it was due, let's see, January, February, March, April, May, June. So July, August, September. So I probably already owe them the extra $5 or $6 or whatever it is you're supposed to add to it. I haven't heard anything else about it. But that's due as well. Other than that, I guess at least you could say that I've paid the bills. But I'm wanting to put $1,000 a month toward paying down debt and paying off the house. I'm not even doing half of that. Not really. Well, leave your comments, questions in the question section. Let me know what you think. Like and subscribe. Give me a thumbs up. Give me a thumbs down. I deserve more thumbs down for this pitiful performance. Pitiful result. Pitiful action. Pitiful amount of debt. Just pitiful. And I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.